Working on molecular dynamics simulations and encountered an ITP file? This is a critical component of GROMACS simulation setups. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these include topology files work within the GROMACS simulation framework. My experience tells me that some ITP files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. ITP files include topology files, for GROMACS, the open source molecular dynamics simulation package. They contain molecular topology definitions, including atom types, bond parameters, angle constraints, dihedral specifications, and force field parameters that define the molecular structure and interactions for computational chemistry simulations. GROMACS ITP files use plain text format, with directive blocks enclosed in square brackets, defining molecule type, atoms, bonds, pairs, angles, dihedrals, and other topology sections. Parameters follow GROMACS force field conventions, with atom indices, force constants, equilibrium values, and function types for each interaction term. The specific reading module for ITP files is provided by GROMACS from the GROMACS development team. Windows provides a generic icon, but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. To bypass the default application error, right-click the ITP file and choose Open With. Prioritize GROMACS if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a viable decoder. If your ITP file isn't cooperating, don't worry. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test the specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the ITP error. First, editing topology files. Open ITP files in any text editor with good column alignment display such as Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. The file structure uses labeled sections with tabular data. Modify atom charges, bond lengths, angle values, or add new interaction terms following the GROMACS topology format documentation carefully. Next, including in simulations. Reference ITP files in your main GROMACS topology file. Top using the include directive followed by the ITP file name in quotes. GROMACS preprocessor GROMP resolves these, includes when building the simulation input. Organize complex systems with separate ITP files for each molecule type, protein, ligand, solvent, and ions. Finally, validating topology. Run GROMP with your topology to validate ITP file correctness. GROMACS reports errors for missing atom types, incorrect bond references, or parameter inconsistencies. Check the GROMP output log for warnings about missing parameters or unusual geometry that may indicate topology definition errors in your ITP files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.